So here's my limb that fell down in the backyard. Been working on it the past couple weekends, trying to get it taken all apart. And I've gotten pretty much everything I can with my Sawzall. So there's my handy, trusty, loyal Sawzall right here. This is what I took off today with it. It was pretty long, but I trimmed down as much as I could. But I can only get parts that I couldn't get to. It's too thick for my Sawzall. So anyways, this sucker it's just hung up there. It won't. I forget what the heck. I tried to shake the thing off of there, but it's not coming off. So, if anybody got a chainsaw, I sure would appreciate it. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep shaking this tree till it falls. Unsuccessfully, you know. That's it.